Oh, let's see. What are you guys doing in there? It's a silly place for a camera. Welcome to my YouTube. We got some fairly cool stuff today. We got a new toy for making content. So we're gonna do maybe not like a review, but like an overview of it, and then take you along for the Christmas shopping day because you guys missed the gym. I went this morning, so pretty excited about this. It's gonna hopefully make some decent content, and I've been waiting for one of these for a while, so see you guys in a little bit. Bus number one for this thing's already gone. You're gonna have to invest in a real one. See if that'll stay until we can get some kind of mount. Let's see. All right, so first stop on this trip is probably going to be Sam's Club, I think. Gotta get some gift cards. And then, honestly, I don't know where else this day is going to take me. So we'll plan that out as we go. Last stop of the day, or at least I hope so. Mission accomplished on the shopping that I had planned for today. I think I have one more thing left to get, but I'll probably pick that up on the way to work tomorrow. So for now, let's get the fun stuff done and then go home and I guess edit some video. So, the reason we're out here is to do a little review on a few things. You know, at the beginning of this, I said I got a new toy, so there she is. There she is. GoPro Hero 9. So I want to say probably 85-90% of this vlog is going to be shot on GoPro for like this and in the driveway scene. It's going to be shot on the Sony because I forgot my tripod to GoPro mount, the adapter. Apologies, I'll get it right next time. So I want to say, like I said, 85-90% of this shot on the GoPro. Since the Sony only shoots in 1080, I'll have to downgrade some of the footage because the GoPro can shoot in 5K. So the whole vlog's not going to be shot in that. I'll probably downgrade it to like 1440 or maybe just to 1080. But this is a new toy and a bunch of accessories, that some that came with it and some that were purchased in advance. I knew this was coming. It's a Christmas present, so a couple of things that I'm really excited for are the max lens mod, which I know a lot of people were talking about it was hard to get their hands on, but actually I think it's still in stock on the GoPro side. So and then I got, like, you know, the bite mount with the floaty, because as you can see, this is like my favorite place to come out here. This is Shawnee Mission Park. Paddleboard, mountain bike, so there's all kinds of stuff to do out here. I mean, it came with a bunch of accessories. I also bought one of the like knockoff kits off of Amazon, and a lot of the stuff that came with it's kind of janky. I know there's a lot of guys on YouTube that are reviewing it and saying that it's worth the money. I personally do not believe it is, but got a head mount, floaty mount. That's going to come in handy when we're out here. Kind of wish I would have brought the paddleboard, but it is like 38 degrees. Granted, I don't know if you can see it, but there was somebody out there on one. So the one thing, the one thing in that knockoff kit that I really, I mean, it's kind of pointless, was this windshield mount. Does not stick to anything, so I would definitely advise getting an actual GoPro one, or maybe like the Joby, if you can find it. I could not find it on Amazon when I just looked, so I don't know if it's going to be there or not. I don't know if it's in stock or not, but that is, oh, and this little guy, which is the GoPro El Grande. Look at that. Super excited for that. It's going to be really good for snowboarding. This, along with the max lens mod, because you can do the I can't remember exactly what it's called, the stabilization, where you can flip the camera all the way around and it stays horizon lock. So pretty excited for all this. Hopefully we can get some good content out here this winter and into the summer and the next few years. So thank you guys for watching.